Incorporating a search bar into Google Sites is a straightforward process. Today I'll guide you through it. To begin, follow these steps. Open your Google site. Here's my example Google site. Which currently lacks a title. This is because it's a demo website not intended for work. On the upper bar, you'll find several options. The first is Settings, followed by Share with Others, and the Link button, among others. On the right side of the screen, you'll find additional options like Insert Page and Theme. Clicking on Page allows you to add pages and various elements to your website. Themes let you choose a design that suits your preferences. To add a search bar to your Google site, begin by visiting Chat Bar to your Google site. There, type in a request like, provide me with an embed code for a search bar, including the menu. Hit enter, and you'll receive a generated code. Copy the entire code. Return to your Google site, then click on the Embed button on the right side of the screen. You'll have two options. Embed from the web by URL and embed code. Choose embed code. Paste the code you copied from chat into the provided field. Click Next, and then select Insert. By following these steps, you'll successfully integrate a Google search bar into your Google site.